Welcome back, friends. Mr. McCray is coming your way with another installment of Math Mentoring. And guys, you know how we do it. In order to talk about it, we got to touch it, read it, learn it, and teach it. That way, everybody can talk about it. All right. Yes. So let's see what we're going to be doing now. Our learning target today is if you have an equation with only one variable, you can use your TI-84 to solve it. All right, so with that, the learning target being in hand, I think we're going to use this beat, and let's get into the lesson. All right, so what are we saying? We're saying that if we have x minus 14 equal 39, we can solve for x. That's a skill that you've learned. And I'm just going to basically just summarize, eighth grade skill set. What do? We use the box and circle method. Variables got box, circles were for the numbers. We want to combine boxes and boxes, circles and circles. And sometimes what that means is that we have to cross that line that divides the left and the right side. And that's important that we remember when we cross the line, we got to change the sign. So negative 14 turns it to positive 14. And in doing that, we solve for x, solving for x. And by solving for x, we simply, I'll undo that, we simply combine those terms. Combine those terms. Okay, so all that's fine. We want to do the ninth grade standard. Ninth grade standard is we're going to use our graphing calculator to find the same thing. We want to find 53 by using that graphing calculator. So how does that look? Here's our first step. We're going to set y1 and y2 equal to the left and the right side of the equation. Okay? In step 2, we're going to use our zoom command so that we can actually make sure that we see the function intersect. So what does that look like? Well, we get our functions in there, okay? And you guys know we can always clear out of something by just hitting second plus 712. Now we cleared out. All right. And we wanted x minus 14, and we wanted 39. Okay. All right. We want to zoom 3. Do I see an intersection? I don't. I'm going to hit zoom 3 again. Do I see an intersection? I'm going to hit enter now. Intersection? I don't. I'm going to hit zoom 3 again. Folks, this may seem tedious, but this is how we will do it. Enter. Do I see an intersection? I do. Phenomenal. Now we're ready for step 3. So in step 3, we're going to hit the second trace 5 command. This is the intersection command, and we're going to see something populate on our screen that says calculate. So what does that look like real time? Second trace 5. And 5 is our intersect command, so we can hit intersect. Okay? Now, our next step is we want to hit enter 3 times and see what the value of x is. Let's do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Our value of x is 53. We have successfully demonstrated how to navigate past the 8th grade standard and now use the 9th grade standard to solve these types of problems using our graphing calculator. As always, guys, We're going to be back shortly. Please pause this video. Try to internalize this skill. Coming back with another example. But do remember, 30 minutes of study a day keeps bad grades away.